So here we have question number 1.11. The question says is, why do gases always tend to be less soluble in liquids as the temperature is raised, right? So here the concept that involved is the first is exothermic process, and the second is the Le principle that cause the shift of the reaction backward, because in exothermic process heat is released, and if you are going to give extra heat, the reaction is obviously going to shift backward, right? So that's why the thing happens here. So let's just read that how we can write this answer in our answer sheet. First of all, gases always tends to be less soluble in liquids with increase in temperature, because dissolution of gases in liquid is generally exothermic, right? Second thing is, according to Le principle, increased temperature, increasing temperature shifts equilibrium backward for exothermic reaction, and that's why the increasing temperature cause the dissolved gases to escape from the liquid solvent, right? Simple.